We will start the workout by doing Tibialis Raises. Feeling it forward, and I will not make these very hard for me today. I will stick up here, lift my heels up, feel the front of my shins, and put them back down. And I will go up again. I will turn my ankles to the right, to the center, to the right, to the center. I will just feel myself forward. I feel stiff and tired, but everything is awesome other than that. And we will just stick to this exercise for now. Then afterwards I think I will do a straight leg raise. I think that would be nice, but we will see. Now I start slowly to feel the burn. That's great. Just stick through it, and I'll just keep going, and I'm starting to get a little bit slow. Still feel awesome. I'll turn around and get a good stretch. I think I actually will go for a little tougher stretch. I have some workout weights here. Just stick them on the floor. Stand on them so I get a bigger stretch at the ankle. And I will go forward. Oh, I am tight. Alright, so I feel the tightness in my legs. I can't get any more forward than this, and that's okay. So I will just stick through it. One. And we will just feel it slowly but surely. And I can hear them scream in the background. That's great. Whew. Just surely making sure that I'm going through the motion and as in the biggest range of motion I can do at this given time, right? So when you've done some stretch work and you've done some HIIT and everything, you will have days where you're more tight than others, and you will realize that you not progress, but you regress a little bit in your overall mobility, and that's absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Just continue with the work. And as you can see, it's not because it's very hard for me, but it feels great, and if it does feel great, then please continue. Oh. Okay. Whew. I will go back to the Tibialis Raise. I think it's great to do a superset of these almost every time you or I work out. I think it's absolutely amazing. It's like a buy-in. You can't get to work out without doing a superset of these. But hey, do what feels right. This second time around, I will not do this very long. I can already feel the burn, and that's great. I will do the knee over toe calf raise next. instead of the straight leg, I'll then do the knee over toe version. And I might be able to do it over there so you can see more. Okay. As I said, nothing fast. Today I'm just restoring my body. And now knees goes forward, and it's a big stretch that I'm doing right now. So I can't get all the way down, and that's okay. Just feel it out, and as long that you and we are not in pain, sharp pain, then it's all good. Sure, it feels stiff, it feels a little bit locked, and I feel a little tingle of pain in my right ankle, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. And we will now do a couple of sets. My ankle mobility after I started working with the ATG stuff skyrocketed. It's amazing what happened with my ankle, and I've tried to do lacrosse balls, I've tried to do voodoo flossing, I've done everything I could, but not daily, but a few times a week, doing stuff like this helped my ankle immensely. And I can't do many of these today. I'm tired from the running. That's okay. As I said, slow and steady is the name of the game today.